masala spices, soft aniseed, fitkari alum, supari betel nut, loban benzoin, jeera cumin seed, elaichi cardamom, tej patta bay leaf, hing asafoetida, kali mirch black pepper, tulsi basil, tutia blue vitriol, long cloves, lal mirch red chili, katha ketchup, kapoor camphor, saunt dry ginger, lasun garlic, ajwain king's cumin, jaifal nutmeg, posta dana poppy seed, kesar saffron, haldi turmeric, keep fennel, dhania coriander, adrak ginger, gond gum, kasturi musk, javitri make, chandan sandal, imli tamarind, curry patta curry leaf.